Hi guys, Daniel here. Welcome to chapter 3. In this chapter we'll talk about SEO elements. We'll talk about SEO elements because I want to show you what are the most important SEO elements, because on the next chapter we'll talk about ranking SEO ranking factors. Okay, so let's get to the basics. We'll talk about URLs, titles, description, headings, images, text, links, both internal and external, what are domains, what are the link metrics, and we'll talk about some established SEO metrics from Moz, Majestic, and Ahrefs. Okay, so what is an URL? An URL is an uniform comes from a uniform resource locator, and it's an address. It's a web address. Here I highlighted the URL from moz.com, which ranks number 1 for SEO ranking factors. You see that here it's https ://moz.com/search -ranking -factors. This is an unique URL and this is an SEO element. Google, as you know from the first chapters, Google crawls links, and each link points to an URL. Okay, the next element is the title. This is the SEO title. Okay, this is from my Kaspersky antivirus. Okay, this is the SEO title, which Google's takes from HTML. I'll open that page to show it in the search results. The next one is the description. Here is the description that Google taken from the page. Okay, I don't think this is the actual meta description that that page has, but we'll see immediately. Okay, and these are some site links that Google taken from the page. Okay, this is the actual page that a user sees, but now we'll look into the HTML to see the HTML of a page. You just right click in Google Chrome and you have here view page source, or you can use the keyboard combination Ctrl+U. Okay, and here is the HTML tag for the title. You see here how it's declared. The title is declared in the head section. You have here title, search engine ranking factors 2015 minus Moz, and here the title is closed. Okay, have also canonical, but we'll talk about it later. Okay, let's find the description. Here is the description. Meta name, description, content. Every 2 years, Moz surveys the opinions of dozens of the world's brightest search marketeers and runs correlation between studies to better understand how the working of the search engine algorithms. Here are the results of 2015. This meta description should be listed here under the URL, but sometimes Google will do this, will change the actual description of the page that you wanted for users to see, because Google will not see it as relevant as it could be for your search keywords. Let's see if I type ranking factors. Same description. Okay, let's see google.com. Just google.com. Let's see domain authority. You see, here is the actual meta description that moz.com has. The meta description is a short snippet that Google will show in search. With meta description, you can market your page. You see, here is the page about domain authority, and here is the actual description of that page. Domain authority is a score on a 100-point scale developed by Moz that predicts how well a website will rank on search engines. Okay, this is an image. Also, here are some images. Another image. Okay, to optimize the image, we'll right click on it, inspect element, and this is the HTML for this image. As you may see, when I go with my mouse cursor on the HTML tags of the image on the left, you'll see that that section is highlighted. Okay, and one important factor for images is the alt text. You see here, alt text comes from alternate text, which is the actual text that search engines see about an image. As you probably know, none of the search engines in the world can see an image like we do. Okay, and there are other tags for an image like caption, title, but they are not as important for SEO like the alternate text. Okay, and the actual text. This is the text that also is very important for SEO. The text from a web page will be one of the most important factors. Okay, this is a link. This is a link to similarweb.com, another link to domaintools.com, and another link to hrefs.com. Okay, let's inspect that element. You see the link is placed in HTML with H space href, the actual URL http://www.similarweb.com. Target blank means that when you click on it, the browser will open that link in a new tab and not on the actual tab. This is very good for user experience, because if a user comes to your site and you have an external link, then you want that user to also remain on your website. Okay, and now let's talk about SEO metrics, and I'll start with the metrics from moz.com. I have here a plugin from Moz, an extension. Actually, is an extension from for Chrome, and here are all of the metrics that moz.com developed. But first, let's talk about PageRank. PageRank, Google PageRank.